I never realized how round I make my cheeks look.
Can you imagine it taking TikTok to learn about your face shape? Couldn't be me. Let's try this. I'll be damned, because my entire life I thought that I had a square face, and it turns out I don't, and neither is it a rectangle. However, apparently I am an upside down triangle. Speaking of flattering your face shapes, turtlenecks do not flatter me, but we'll take the L for fashion. Conveniently, there is no option for an upside down triangle. I've Googled it and apparently it's a rare face shape, so now I'm really wondering if I have an upside down triangle face shape, because my jaw is quite large, so I don't see how that could be true, although my head is pretty big, I know. So for the sake of completing this video, we're gonna go back to the idea that my face is square. Ever since I was a kid, my mom used to call me SpongeBob SquarePants. I have a square jaw. Well, that's funny because this is already kind of how I do my makeup. Well, not really the concealer part. Interesting, okay. I don't know why I did that, okay. All right, my bronzer is literally at its wit's end, so we're just gonna be doing this. All right, so I'm gonna apply this and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I take the filter off. I'm also using my favorite highlighter, basically of my existence, which is RMS Beauty. I look great. Wait, I knew it. I knew I forgot to contour my jaw. I was like, something's missing. So I just used a buffing brush to buff out the contour, and now I'm gonna spray a beauty blender, like a tiny one, with a hydrating mist and blend out the concealer. Okay, so I have blended everything out and now I'm gonna do some eyeliner. So this is my final look. Okay, so it took me finishing my makeup to realize I forgot to contour my nose, so we're gonna do that right now. Right off the bat, I do not like the idea of this because why is it going up so high? My nose is like fairly long anyways. Concealer goes right in the middle. All right, oh my gosh. So this is the final look. I don't know what it is. It's probably the nose contour, but I feel like I look really stupid, so probably not gonna do this ever again.